Copying a Confluence page is a simple way to replicate content, create templates, or quickly start a new page with existing information. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the page. Start by going to the Confluence page you want to copy. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to view and edit the page, as only users with editing rights can copy pages. Open Page Tools. On the page you want to copy, look for the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the page, next to the Share button. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. Select Copy. From the drop-down menu, choose the Copy option. This action opens the Copy Page dialog, where you can specify the details of your new page. Rename the new page. In the Copy Page dialog, enter a new title for your copied page. By default, it will append to the original page title, but you can change it to anything that suits your needs. Choose Destination. Select the space and parent page where you want the copied page to reside. You can keep it in the same space or move it to a different one. Copy the page. Click the Copy button to create the new page. Once copied, the new page will open and you can start editing it as needed.